Obim, are you going out?
You see me getting ready to go out and you're asking me if I'm going out.
Are we not going to the hospital again?
Woman, I am not going to any hospital with you under this hot sun.
But you are going out under the same hot sun now.
So sugar obanya ima di moya omoya ana anwu na nku ndi eze yada ije egbo ije agbama nku ndi eze ndi man Umenda when my brother Chuma yakwan ana ekenenge what do you want to do ka kenen etina ma aka eto jukwute gi. Are you with your license? I don't know.
Konye bulago. Ibulago. Ijibia nke ginizi.
What is it? What is wrong with taking 3 backhand?
You see, young boys of nowadays don't have regards and respect for tradition.
Tradition.
I've been afia.
Half once a while. Half once a while. There is no problem. Carry them out. Put them out your time cup because the sun is very, very.
What do you want to do? What I can say.
Hey! Don't worry, I'll
You do what? Chelu. So you don't eat to see ogonogo kankune America. We don't have sense. Yeah, all these things that we are talking about or we're saying is not ringing bell into your heads. Gonna against him. You are in no shape of the same level with us. We are sons of Ozos. Now, soon, Umenna and I will take Ozo title. Yes. It is too far.
You should have told me that's the problem now. I have my own plans now. Ozo title. More get when came very soon. I will take my Ozo title very soon. Let's drink and make merry. Come on, let's help them. What would that be? Hey, even I in a topic, your great grandfather was not an Ozo titled man. Your grandfather was not an Ozo titled man.
Tell him.
Even your own father was not an Ozo titled man.
Game
Bogua, Jesus the Ozo title. It has gotten to the point you insult my father, my great grandfather, my grandfather because of Ozo title. We don't have behind.
Yeah, no, why keep quiet, guy. Now, you see, this is the reason why I said no matter case bankata. You don't know how to discuss. Now let me tell you something again. Whenever you think you've grown to that level to sit with Umenna and I in a palm wine joint like this to drink, then you go and take an Ozo title. Or better still, you take for your father. Then you can now come, we sit down. A man and uncle Zinko, but man for now. It got us to go there, got us and I am not going to do so messed up. I will go there. Now, Natalia.
Now, move.
See up. Move. What's the meaning you go to Wobble Camp and I'm blinking out. Just get out.
Go.
You know. Ugeze. Kita chubeli who go tell them. Ugeze. I'm talking to you now. Is anybody after? Ugeze. Ugeze! Welcome. Ugeze. What's the problem? I've been calling you from the road and you're not answering me. You're not even acting like someone is behind you. What's the problem?
Nozi, man, water.
What will I not understand?
Nozi, if you... Nozi, if you see the insult that Umenna and Chuma just gave me at the village square. Ifun barrier.
Menna, what insult did they give you? Tell me.
Oh, I'm going to I went to drink with them, as usual. Then they said that I cannot drink with them. They started insulting me that I'm not a titled man.
No, wait. Because they said you don't have a title, that's why you could not even offer me a seat. Eh? If you don't like it, I'm sitting down by myself. They said you're not a titled man. You want to tell me that the reason you didn't answer my call on the road is because you wanted to drink with women and whoever, and they refused because they said you're not a titled man.
They made me look like I'm not a man.
Ugeze, let me tell you something if you're not getting it clear. Having a title doesn't make you a real man. Not having a title doesn't make you less a man either. So you better mind what you think. Okay, tell me, what differentiates you from those men that call themselves titled men? Tell me.
A title makes a man a real man. And I am yet to prove that I am a real man.
Hey, so that's how you understand it. That's how you're seeing it. A title makes you a real man. You don't have to be talking like this because you're not God. Just give yourself some time. You're not God.
If only I had a child. If only I had a son.
Hey, God. See. Stop saying all these things. Because you having a child or not having a child, having a title or not having a title doesn't make you less a man.
You will not understand that the barrenness of my wife is the reason for all these insults. My wife's barrenness is the reason I get insulted daily. You won't understand it.
Oh. Your wife is now the problem or the barrenness. Which one? See, let me tell you. Stop putting yourself into unnecessary pressure. Stop it. Stop it. And the moment you realize that you're not God that gives child, the better for you. And you be careful with this your title of a thing. Be careful with it. That's all I have to say. I'm going. I was even thinking something serious was disturbing you. Because mind what you're doing to yourself.
Obin, you need to hear this.
Hear what?
The doctor said you should come and see him.
What did you just say? What did you tell the doctor?
I didn't tell him anything. He just examined me and said we need to run a fertility test.
We?
Yes.
Hey, I said it. I said it. I knew it. I knew you would blame me for everything. So you've got to tell the doctor now that it is my fault. Abi?
Obin, what are you talking about? I didn't tell the doctor anything.
You didn't say anything to the doctor. So the doctor just woke up today and decided that you should tell me to come for a test. Just like that. You have got to tell the doctor that it is my fault that we don't have a child.
Why are you saying this? I didn't tell the doctor anything.
Ataronge. Anofia. I don't blame you.
Obin, what did you say? Obin? What did you say? Obin, the water is ready. Let's go and take our bath. Obi.
What is it? Huh? What is your problem? Every time Obim, every time my husband, every time Obim. Eh? Why do you keep on calling me? In fact, as a matter of fact, from today onwards, do not call me by any of those things again. Call me by my name. I have a name. Call me by my name. My name is Ugoeze. Do you hear me? I wonder when you're planning to call me by my children's name. Maybe when I'm too old and I cannot mount you anymore.
Why are you saying this?
I'm saying this because I'm pissed off. I am saying this because I'm angry. I am saying this because I do not have a child.
The other day I told you what the doctor said.
No.
But you refused to listen to my advice.
Doctor. That is all I hear in this house. Every day, doctor. I said the doctor can give me a child. Can the doctor give me a child? Nonsense.
Obim. Obim, you've not been happy lately. Is there anything I need to know?
Anything like what?
Did you quarrel with anybody?
Nothing happened. I just woke up today and I began to think like a man.
Think like a man? I don't understand. How do you mean?
I realize that I cannot let the next Ozotai to pass me by. Mbaga here.
Obim, are you still talking about this Ozo title? I thought you've forgotten about it. Besides...
Besides what? Besides, we are yet to have a child. Or should I say, besides, you are yet to give me a child.
Obim, where is your faith? Where is your belief?
What is that?
I know we'll have a child.
What are you talking about? Don't sweet talk me now. Do not try to sweet talk me, not today. Shut up. I will do the talking. Now listen to me. I will take a second wife. Yes, a wife that can give me a child.
Mbano, babe, you can't do this to me.
I said you should shut up, oh. I said I'm the one doing the talking, oh. I know you heard me, oh. You do not know that your barrenness is the reason that I've not taken an Ozo title till today? You don't know?
Obim. You called me barren. How? How is it my fault? I know men who don't have children and they are also titled others.
That is not how I want my own. My own will be different. I am Ugoeze. Nkemga Dikeh. I will have my other title when I have a child, preferably a son.
What you should be concerned now is who's having a child. That should bother you now. Let's have a child first. Let's have a child first. Then you can think about your also tight.
Will you keep quiet? Shut up. You're always talking rubbish. Come back here. Come back here, woman. I'm talking to you. Hey, God.
What is the essence of happiness if in a short while it is cut off by pain? Why has the fire creatures of bitterness besieged my home? Why? Why, Chibu gave me? Chibu. 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 Chibu gave me. Chibu. Mama, I have begged him. I have spoken with every soft manner I could. But he has refused to see the doctor. Now he wants to take another wife. Nem, would you like me to come and talk to him? No, Mama. No. He won't like it if you do that. I wonder why he gets angry about seeing the doctor. Hey, God, you need to apply number 6. Use wisdom. Akonuche will handle that man. All men are the same. They're like babies. They do things that are convenient for them, not minding how we feel. But that is not a problem. You see, the thing about them is that they feel that women mold children in their tummies, forgetting that it is a two-way thing. Nagi was the same. It was even worse. We live like strangers in that house. Mama, he accuses me of being the reason why he hasn't taken an other title. Mom, just be patient with him. Oh God, all the injure of 4 bossy or one day it will be well. Just be patient. You know, go. I hope so, Mama. But I hope so. You will pray. You will pray. You know, go. It will be well. I feel Basika where.
Yes. Wait. What did I just hear you say?
No, you heard me well now.
No. I didn't hear you. So say again, let me hear you very well.
I said, I want to take a second wife.
Ugeze. And why, if I may ask?
When I take a second wife, I get a child. When I get a child, I will take an also title. And when I take an also title, no man in this village will ever insult me again.
Well, that's okay. Let me come and be going.
Going what?
Get the second wife.
Going?
Yes, I'm going.
I don't understand, is that all you have to say?
Ugeze, that's all I have to say. I mean, what do you want me to say? Okay, I have something to tell you. Ugeze, you are a very, very stupid man. What? Ugeze. Wait. What did I just hear you say?
No, you heard me well now.
No. I didn't hear you. So say again, let me hear you very well.
I said, I want to take a second wife.
Ugeze. And why, if I may ask?
When I take a second wife, I get a child. When I get a child, I will take an also title. And when I take an also title, no man in this village will ever insult me again.
Well, that's okay.
Let me come and be going. Going where? Get the second wife. Going? Yes, I'm going. I don't understand, is that all you have to say?
Ugeze, that's all I have to say. I mean, what do you want me to say? Okay, I have something to tell you. Ugeze, you are a very, very stupid man.
What?
You are a very, 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 very stupid man. I mean, how can you be even thinking of getting a second wife? Simply because you want to get a child, and when you get a child, you get another title.
It is my decision.
It is your decision. So why are you telling me? Since you've decided, it's already a decision. Do you want my permission or what? Go ahead and get a second wife.
Hey, go, I don't need you. Suzukweba can fozo. Nonsense, come on, Wiggy. Good. Hey, good. Are you mad? Huh? Are you blind that you cannot see that I just washed these clothes and spread them out? You want to sweep and scoop dust on top of them?
Okay, so what is wrong with you? What is it? I am not blind. I saw those clothes and I cannot scoop dust on them.
I don't blame you. You always know how to defend your foolish self.
Because what have I done to you? What have I done to you that you talk to me like a maid?
You know exactly what you have done to me. I cannot take an Ozo title in this land because you have refused to give me a child.
Having a child does not stop you from taking an Ozo title. If you want to take an Ozo title, go ahead and take one. Ugweze.
Huh? Igodi. You're calling me by my name. Mama. Ugweze. You're calling me by my name. Hey, what are Madam Afu? So you now talk back at me and shout at me like a real woman. Well, it's a pity that you cannot have children like the real women have.
Another men that talk to their wife like this.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Out! Get out! Out! Let me not see my kids out today. Get out!
Ugeze, come outside.
What was the argument?
Ugeze, don't let a thief into your house 3 times. The first time was enough. The second time was a chance. The third time, Ugeze, then you must be stupid. So it has gotten to the extent of throwing your wife out of the house. What has come over you?
You will ask me what she did. Now you guys calling me hermit. Do you know what she did?
What did she do?
She called me.
She called you what? Ugeze, she called you what? See, let me tell you something, Ugeze. It's better to remain silent and have people think you are a fool than to speak up and remove every doubt of it. That is all I have to say. And the word is enough for the wise. Ne, Panono.
I don't blame you. That's gotten to the point where you take our issues and go and discuss with people outside. Well done. Nonsense.
Because I wanted a child. Now you cannot pay a child. What am I doing with you? Carry your bag.
I will not go. I will not go!
You will not go!
You want me to live like
this?
You will not go! After all these years, okay. I'm not going!
You will not go! 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 Leave me alone! What do you want to kill? You want to kill? I will kill this girl! You want to kill her? I will kill this girl!
I'm not leaving!
For what? For what?
I am not leaving!
What has come over you?
I will not go!
What's your problem? Leave me alone! What's your problem? Do you want to kill her? Eh? What has come over the both of you? Eh? My house now. This barren woman is not going anywhere. Leaving my house. She's not going anywhere. For what? For what?
I am not
Do you want to kill her? Go inside the house.
No, leave it!
Go inside.
Call me names! God! Call me names! God! Sorry, call me names!
I said leave my house. Take her back. Go inside. She's not going inside my house. She's going inside. She's... What is your... I got you. Go inside. What is your problem? Eh? This is your wife. What will you call her a barren woman? For what? See, let me tell you. You will go with her tomorrow to see the doctor for a fertility test. The earlier you start thinking for the way out of this problem, the better for you. The earlier you start thinking, the better for you. Ah! This is not you guys I know. This is not you. Who gets there? Who gets there? I'm going from place to place. Place to place. Now you want me to go to the hospital? Better do that. It's for the betterment of the both of you. Who gets there? Think well. It's for your own good. I'm going.
Get ready. We'll be going to the hospital.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you.
You're serious about getting another wife? How could Did you put your desire of an also tonto above your heart? Have you ever asked yourself why we don't have a child?
Ego, I do not need to ask myself that. What I need to do is to take the bull by the horn.
And you think taking the bull by the horn is getting a new wife? Is that what you really think?
You treat me very bad. You make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you. Upon all I've been through, I don't know why I still love you.
Biawaya. Rekono. Is there no food in this house? I'm talking to you, Egodi. Is there no food in this house?
Get your new wife to cook for you.
I don't understand why you are angry about seeing me with Ifoma. I don't understand it.
I have been faithful to you. I cared for you. We should stand together. You don't have to hurt me. Bringing another woman will cut the love we shared together.
That is where you're wrong. Egodi, that is where you are wrong. Now let me explain this to you. A man's bed is not meant for one woman alone. Or them meme. Eh? And besides, look at yourself now. You don't even look like you're ready to give me a child anytime soon.
You say this to me? Where is it? You say this to me? You're heartless!
Don't you raise your voice on me. Don't! If you had given me a child, I would have taken an Ozo title like the rest of my mates by now. Eh? Look around you. All my mates have Ozo titles except me. Mongabo Ugoeze. So someone behind them with Ozo title. Where are you going? I'm talking to you. Will you come here?
Go on, take it.
What is this?
Take! Take it!
What?
Our fertility test result. Go on, read. How about that? You kept on blaming me. Your sperm count is low. You can't even make babies. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What? What?
My wife. Egodim. Please, I am very, very sorry. I should have thought of this sorry.
At least I've seen your true color.
Forgive me. Why, Pico? It will never happen again. Please. Please.
I've forgiven you. Obin, what is it?
I am ashamed of myself. I am not a man.
Obin, you are a man.
What do we do now?
I don't know. I am not a doctor. You have to go and see the doctor.
I don't know how to face him. I don't think I can see him.
You just have to go. You want the other title next year, right? Then you have to go and see him. Eh?
This also title we're talking about, you do know that it's next year, and next year is just 10 months away. I was thinking we could, you know, do other things, maybe try other options.
If you're thinking about an adoption, please count me out. I can't adopt
adoption. I'm not talking about adoption. Far from it.
So what is it then?
I was, you know, I was thinking maybe you can maybe see another man.
Eh? What? Eh? You want me to see another man? Just because of your desperation for an other title?
Okay, wait. My wife, I'm not exactly saying.
So what are you exactly saying?
I'm the only son, only child of my father, and it would be an abomination if I die without having a child.
You will not die.
Okay, now it's okay. I'm not about the other title now.
Please, I can't sleep with another. I can't sleep with another man. What are you saying?
If you can't sleep with me, I'll kill myself.
You know you cannot do a stupid thing like that. Good night.
Okay, we shall see now.
Welcome.
Hey, Goody. Did you take any yam from my barn?
Yes, I did. Open your head. I was even wondering, this yam color, you understand? You should just help me taste it, eh? because I don't understand how it looks. I don't know. I just hope it's nice. Hope it's not even mature enough. Just test it. It's nice. Go on, test it.
Last time! You take a deal from my pants. Last time!
To love you, my only offense is I love you. You break my heart, I love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else.
Obim, you've refused to touch your food. What is it? The other time you refused to eat. Now you refuse to touch your food. Ogini. What?
Are you ready to think about what I told you? Because I'm not going to eat anything in this house until you think about what I told you.
Oh, so because of your hustle title, you refuse to touch my food, Okwe? That is why you refuse to touch my food. Ah, you just started. You know why? Because me, I will never sleep with another man. Never! Oh, mama, it will not happen. If you don't want to eat, don't eat now.
You treat me.
But my husband has changed. He talks to me with an iota of respect. What have I done to this man? Yeah. I know why he's acting that way. But do not worry. Soon, God will remember you. Mama, you kept on saying soon. Soon? How soon will that be, Mama? How soon will that be? Hey, good. Stop crying. Bedebekene. Stop crying. It is God that gives children. And I know that very soon He will remember you.
My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very.
What is it? Why are you crying?
I just want to die. I want to die. I want to die. I just can't. I can't.
Obin, don't talk like this. It's not the end of it.
It's the end of the world. This is the end of the world. When a man is important, what else is left? Even a dead man now is better than me.
God forbid, Chukwaju. You will not die. You will not die.
Please help me. Please, I'm begging you. Please help me. Just do this for me once. Once. I will not ask you to do it again. I promise. Just once.
What are you saying? I cannot sleep with another man. I cannot. I can't bear it.
If nobody will hear about it, I swear. Nobody. Please now.
You don't get it. It is not what people will say or what people will hear. It's about me. It will haunt me for the rest of my life. I can't bear it. I cannot.
Please, they go because
I'm not coming down.
Please calm down. We'll talk about it.
There's nothing to talk about. Nothing. You hear me? Leave me, let me kill myself. When I kill myself, then you can now find another man and remarry, since that is what you want.
But no, you can't kill yourself. What will people think about you? You'll be thrown into the evil forest. Is that what you want?
Yes, that is what you want. That is what you want, Egodi. That's what you want. Let me kill myself. Go and marry another person.
Hey, I will do it. I will do it. I will do it.
You will do
I
it?
will do it. I will do it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. Have I ever lied to you? I will do it.
When will you do it?
Today, tomorrow, anytime.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
I will talk. Are you sure?
Oh, please. No. I'm sure. I promise. I promise. I promise I will do it. I will do it.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you.
So, are you doing it tomorrow?
What if he's not a boy?
And you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you. Upon all I've been through, I don't know why I still love you.
Sal. You know, it has been 3 days since you agreed to meet another man, and so far you've not made any move, so I was just wondering.
I've not seen a man I like.
A man you like? I mean, just get any man.
Igweze, you don't expect me to go and look for someone to make me pregnant. What will people think about me?
Listen, it doesn't matter what people think about you. Forget what people think. I mean, it's our business.
It is my pride. It is my dignity. It is my body.
What about Dikeh?
No. I don't want Dikeh. He has a large nose.
What of Maduka?
Maduka? That one is even worse. He has terrible body odor.
Body odor? I mean, does that even matter? Okay, fine. Let me talk to Uchendu. Uchendu is a very handsome man.
Yes, Uchendu is handsome, but he's a talkative. I don't want him.
What does it even matter if he is a talkative or not? I mean, it's just the child we want.
It matters. It matters if our baby is from a bad blood. It matters. It matters. This is a child we are going to live with for the rest of our lives.
Okay, fine. I'll think about. Let me think about someone else.
We have to be careful about this thing. We just have to be careful.
You just have to be fast about this.
I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you.
They're good.
You break my heart and love someone else.
Is there anything you
But I
want to do?
can't help myself. I don't know why I still
You're not looking yourself. You're not looking good. Get it for. Mama, I'm fine. You're good. I am your mother. You can talk to me no matter what it is. I'm fine. Is it your husband? Is he insisting on taking another wife?
He's not.
Because he falls in, what is it?
He wants me to.
He wants you to do what?
Mama, never mind. I don't want to talk about it.
Let me know how I can help you or advise you. Tell me now, he wants you to do what?
Mama, I don't want to talk about it.
The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you.
Thank you.
See, I thought it's a very, very good idea, and I know it will work. Come on, sister. Come. See, I know the person that can help us. Anozie.
Anozie, your friend?
Yes.
Obi, must it be someone we know? Eh? Can't we just look for someone from another town? Someone that is far from us? Someone that can keep a secret? Eh?
Look, I trust Anozie. Anozie is my friend, and he can keep a secret. Eh? Okay, man.
I'm worried about this.
See, you don't need to be worried, okay? I'll be back. Let me go and talk to Anozie. Okay? Stop this now. Eh? Okay, listen. I promise I will make it up to you. Okay? I'll make it up to you. Izyoku.
How? How will you make it up to me? How?
Are you okay? Calm down. See, even I, the biggest fan of your fury, now marvels in the face of your latest stupidity. This one is the next level of your stupidity.
Anozie, Biko, I agree. I accept. It is my fault. I take full responsibility. I cannot impregnate my wife, but I need you to help me.
See, it's simple. If you cannot impregnate your wife, go and see a doctor. Do I look like one? Do I look like a doctor?
Listen, Oproma for doctor. I know I'm supposed to see the doctor, but the also title is next year. It's just next year on so.
And a queen has also title. I mean, why is this also title getting you crazy? You what's the queen?
No, sorry. Please, don't be angry. Forgive me. The thing is, I need to have an also title, and I cannot take my also title without a male child. When I have a male child, I'll take my also title.
Hey. They are the hard. And you couldn't in our corner. And a chebegu million. Who told you that you cannot take a title with a female child?
Man, no, it's not proper, no. I want my own to be different. You understand? When I have a male child and I take my also title, I'll carry my shoulders high. I can stare at other men in the face like a real man because my own also title is different, it's special.
Now I know you are not with your clear eye. You're under a spell. Ugeze, you are under a spell because I just found out that you are very, 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 very stupid.
I agree, no problem. I am very, very stupid. Very stupid. But what you need to understand is that a desperate man is a stupid man. That's how I want my also title. I want it to be different.
No, you are not just stupid. You are not just stupid, rather you are very, 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 very stupid. And now your stupidity has graduated to the next level. So you are not only stupid, but very, 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 very stupid, mad man. And this one is not from your lineage. Because I knew your father. I knew him very well when he was alive. Ugeze, go home and search yourself very well.
I've been calling you since the Village Square now. You didn't hear me.
I didn't hear you. So now that I'm here, what is the problem?
There is no problem. The only thing is that I wanted to know how far now with the thing that we discussed. Our discussion with the
Which discussion? I told you that I'm not interested. Nedado. I told you, I'm not interested.
I can remember what you told me is that you would think about it. It's a big change.
I know it. This your desperation has blocked your ears. You no longer hear clearly. I told you vividly that day that I'm not interested. Achoram.
I'm your best friend, I believe. I'm the only man who has always stood by you. I have always been there for you. I was even there for you when you lost your mother.
Oh God. Ugeze. You're my friend. No doubt about that. You are my friend, I know. And nothing will stop you from being my friend. No way, I can't do it. I mean, ask me for another thing now.
Just tell me how much it is that I will pay you now. This thing once and
did I just hear you say money? You want to pay me money? Me anozie ananene meloni. Me. Geze, you've just insulted me. You've just insulted me. Yelmefe, kanje nubu.
Anozie.
I don't want to silence you. Yelmefe kanje.
Anozie. Anozie one them. Please, Biko, help me. Biko, Biko.
See, Ugeze, you know how much I hate repeating myself.
Anozie, why are you being wicked to me? Why? Why?
I am not being wicked. I'm just following my mind. See, I can't do this thing. Anozie,
you know, a kind gesture can reach a wound that only compassion can heal. Please, help me. I cannot father a child. I cannot. If you don't help me, then why are we friends?
Well, let me think about it. I will think about it.
Think about it again, man. I will say, what is there to think about? Is it not just to make a woman pregnant?
Oh, you think it's easy, Abi? Go and do it yourself if it's easy now.
That's not what I'm saying, now. What I'm saying is that look at you. You're an able-bodied man. I mean, you will have many more seeds.
Like I said, Ugeze, I'll think about it. Case closed. Go home, please.
Anozie, please think fast.
I will think about it. Just go.
Just think fast. Yeah, please.
Thank you. Yeah, yes.
You know the other title is in 10 months. Help me think fast.
Go now.
Anozie, thank you. Thank you.
Still thinking about what you told me the other time. I am not done thinking. So please give me more time.
Anozie, this thinking is taking too long now. It's taking too much time.
It's taking too long. It's taking too long, Abi. Okay. Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Okay. Come to think of it. What if after all this ups and downs and it doesn't work? What will you do?
But Anozie, my friend. Listen. It will work. And not only will it work, it will be a baby boy.
Hey. Okay, and what if it's a baby girl?
See, don't worry about that. Just do it first. Leave it to me. Let me worry about it. Okay, my friend. Anozie, one them. Okay. I'm a pair of man. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. I don't even know how to thank you. I am forever indebted to you for this kind gesture. I swear, I'm forever indebted to you.
Ugeze. She didn't let me. She didn't.
What? What's the matter now? I thought we agreed on this.
Agreed on what? Agreed on what? How were you feeling when you were out there?
Okay, listen, let's not talk about this again, You agreed to help me now. Please help me. Please now.
Disgust me! Now I know how desperate you are.
Egodi.
You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I have always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
Where is my beautiful wife? Egodi, whoa! Oh! My sunrise. My sunrise. What's it for you? Is it beautiful?
Yes, I like it. It's beautiful.
I'm glad you like it. I know your favorite color. I know your favorite color. Next Eke Market Day, I will go and buy more of these clothes for you. Much more. Hold. See this one. See this cock? want you to cook it. Eat it alone. Whatever you want. Okay?
Alone.
And if you need any other thing, you tell me. I'll buy food. Okay? Anything at all. You move up. I'll want to tell you.
My sunrise. You're awake.
I'm awake, Obin. Obin, we are washing my clothes.
Yes, I'm washing your clothes. Have you eaten your food?
No, not yet. I will eat later.
Okay.
Obin, when did you wake up to make that food?
Doesn't matter what matters is what I'm doing.
Okay, then let me go.
No, Mbano. Hafia, I'm almost done. See, there are very few clothes remaining. Eh? Just go and eat. I'll join you. Go. Jawa, before your food gets cold. Sorry. So after this leg, we'll do this one, and then maybe massage your waist too. You want me to massage your waist?
No, not yet. You do that at night.
Tonight. Okay, good.
Gently.
Sorry.
I like it.
You like it like this?
I like it.
Slowly?
Slowly.
Are you hungry?
No, I'm not hungry. I'll eat later.
You eat later?
Mm-hmm.
You want to eat me?
Yes. What becomes of a woman who has sold all her virtue? Who is she that has no pride left? Just like a criminal hanging hopelessly from the hangman's rope. I hang hopelessly from Obese's love. And even though I know it threatens to choke the life out of me, it is all I have to live for.
for my happiness. Let us momentarily partake of Ukwe's stupidity. Biko. Biko.
To love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. Someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. Someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. The crime I committed was to love you. My only offense is I love you. You break my heart and love someone else, but I can't help myself. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. Always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you. You treat me very bad, and you make me feel so sad. I've always stood by you upon all I've been through. I don't know why I still love you.
Hey, Goody. Hey, Goody. Hey, Goody. Hey, Goody, my wife. Goody, you cannot continue behaving this way. You cannot continue crying all day long. You can't. I mean, for 2 days now, you've not taken anything.
Let me mourn my foolishness. Let me cry out my shame. It's heavy in my heart. It tears me apart.
Hey, Goody, calm down. Please calm down. I beg you. Look, it's not as if you've done something that no one has done before. It's not something new. Look, as long as I am not offended, you shouldn't worry about it. Please.
Crazy, can you hear yourself talk? It's my body. It disgusts me. It's my dignity. It's my pride. It's my respect.
No, but you did it for me.
I didn't do it for you. I did it for my happiness, which is unfortunately tied to you.
Kamjide bimaka, kamjide bimaka. Ifem follow no wa bugomike, amara me fenyeme, emara me benya.
I don't understand. What doesn't go? Why have you been avoiding me now? I've been looking all over for you. I even came to your house. Your father said you went to your maternal home. Meanwhile, I saw your slippers outside the door.
Ugeze, I've not been avoiding you. I've been busy.
You've been busy. You've been too busy for Mwabo Ugeze. Eh? Go on, Abebe Mbosinide. You know what? No problem. Let's go and have some palm wine. Eh? Can you walk on at the village square?
Ugeze, wait. You should never wonder when you see men wicked, but wonder when you see a man ashamed. Ugeze, come to your house. I will see you when I want to.
Anozie.
Say what is wrong with you, baby girl? Why are you bent on having a boy?
Because I want my Ozo title.
Having a baby girl does not stop you from your Ozo title.
But I want my own in a grand style. I've told you this.
A grand style? Then you have to talk to God.
God knows what I want. I want a baby boy. And I know he's a baby boy. He's a baby boy.